The story of the little blue engine that couldn't. It was a cold March evening on the railway, and Crosby and Ivan and Charlie were all resting on a siding. And then I said, "That's not a van, that's a chicken." Okay, I'm bored, but you should be. I have a story to tell you all. Ooh! It all starts like this. It was during World War II, where times were more desperate. I was marching in a troop tent that was going to be taken out. Then the engine rushed by so fast I barely got a glance of what he looked like. This small four-wheeled saddle tank engine was for the War Department. This little blue tank engine was built in 1941. Every time I told him to stop speeding, he would completely ignore me. One day, I was pushing a goods train for another engine to take to the front line. But the engine didn't come. "We have sad news. The engine died out of war. You need to take the train. Go! Go! Go!" I was about to leave when the same blue engine rushed out in front of me. Oi! Oi! He was going so quick that the Nazis saw him and never made it out. And not only that, I derailed at the points. And now, every year on the date of the accident, the little blue engine that couldn't rises again, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. That might be the most bullshit thing I have ever heard. Don't say I didn't warn you. Well, I've got to get going. That was like 80 years ago, bruv. Chill. He's an idiot. Yep. Ivan was happily going on his way, with his 4 trucks and 4 tankers. Wait, hang on. Wait, who are you? Hello, English? Speak up, bro, I can't hear you. Well, that was disappointing. When Ivan opened his eyes again, it was gone. Whoa! The coupling snapped, and Ivan left the rails with a biff and a bash and a terrible smash. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Help us! Help! Help! Wait, is that? Wait a second. That's Ivan's train, and we can't get out. Wait, it's moving on its own? No, you twit. I'm shunting it. You're welcome. Quasi, you need to respect him more. Oh my fuck. You lads looking for Ivan? Yes. I have him. Dude, are you okay? Does it look like I'm okay? I literally got jump scared by a ghost. No, it can't be his ghost. Let's stop this. Yeah! Lads, I have an idea. Okay, so here's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna go up to the spot where Ivan crashed. He should be there, and he should take away my train, but luckily I've set it off an alarm so that Peter can go and grab him in the act. Oh, and why the fuck is Dominic there? What happened to your train? Nah, I just wanted to come and see what was going on. Fair enough. Anyways, let the mission begin. Wait, come back. What? We don't have time. What are those trucks? We have Tisket, Tasket, and Fuck It. Oh. We also have Amelia and Charlene and Courtney. Why did you say my name like that? Shut up, bitch. Anyways, I have to go now. Good luck. It took a little bit of a while to get to the destination, but Charlie got there. Ah, Rowan, I might have known you'd come. You know, dude, you have to speak up. You know, I have a nice train you can take. You chose to forget. Forget what? I did not forget you. Is that why you chose me over your chose your girlfriend over me? Dude, I don't have a girlfriend. Yes, you do. Stand for this. You're going with me to the depths of hell. You're coming with me to hell. Peter, now! And where do you think you're going, mister? No. You can't go forward because I'm too strong, and you can't go backwards because I'm too strong. I'm the original, and I am God. I think we pissed him off. Take this. And you take that. I will be back. This is the last time you ever say of me. Oh my God. He's gone too far. How will they ever recover from this? Well, that is a story for another day. And cut. Well done, everybody. Rowan, you did very good today. Thank you. Dude, I promise I'll pay it back next week. Okay, goodbye. What a good chap.